Hi, welcome to Module 2. This module is all about keyword research. See, you need to make sure that you work with the right search phrases. Your entire search engine optimization strategies are built upon your keywords. Everything that you do is based on the keywords that you're working with. So before you get started with other things, you need to make sure that you have the right keywords. You need to make sure that the search phrases that you're working with are the ones that will bring you business. For example, let's say if you provide office cleaning services, you need to make sure, should you optimize your landing pages or website or your other strategies, should they be around office cleaning business or office cleaning services or office cleaning near me, and so on and so forth. The only way you can find that out is if you spend enough time in researching the right phrases for your business. And with this module, it doesn't matter what kind of services you provide. Just make sure as you go through the videos, you're thinking about your service. If I'm talking mold removal, but you do roof repair, then you think roof repair, and so on. You could be a dentist, and then you can think of teeth whitening, dental implants, and so on. So you get the idea. You need to have your search phrases in mind as you go through these videos. While going through these videos, you will understand which search phrases are going to be less competitive, okay? So you need to make a note of them because those are the ones that will help you get faster on page 1 of Google or Yahoo and Bing as well. You'll also find search phrases that are more relevant to your business. You'll also find search phrases for different landing pages of your website. So for example, you provide, let's say, water damage restoration services. Now you'll find keywords that will be water damage restoration services related. You'll find keywords that would be basement water extraction services related, mitigation, sewage backup cleanup, burst pipes, pipe leak, and so on and so forth. So this is something really important for you to know, that the search phrases that you are working with also have corresponding landing pages, okay? And as you go through this module, you'll understand that. See, finding the right search phrases is a skill in itself because this will help you continue to move forward as a business owner, okay? Whether you do pay-per-click marketing, whether you do social media, you may start doing blogging in the future, podcasting, everything will revolve around your search phrases. So you have to make sure you completely understand which are the best keywords for you to work with, okay? So start working with that. With these tactics, you'll also be able to see or find the search phrases of your competition. So you'll be able to analyze them. You'll be able to see the sites that rank high right now in your area on search engines. What keywords are they working with? Why are they ranking high? And so on and so forth. So let's get started. This is a very exciting module because you'll find search phrases that you have never thought of even exist to bring you customers, to bring you leads. So let's get started. Keep me posted. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to be there for you. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video now.